welcome to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie, and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And today, you can see we're in a little bit different spot. We're here at my home studio. We've got some different things to show you today, which made this a little bit more convenient than our normal studio setup. I wanted to show you some new, unique products that you may not have even noticed in our catalog lineup. These are super fun, super cool, and wanted to give you guys just a little preview about how these things work and all the fun stuff that you can do with them. So the first one today in this video that we're going to be talking about is Alumilite Mold Putty. And this is like a silicone-based putty that for creating molds. You can create like 1-part molds like this, or you can even create like 2-part molds like this where you have a sprue hole and you pour material into. It's totally up to you, but you can do both. This one is really great because this is easy. It is a simple 1-to-1 ratio. I'm sorry I don't have any here, but we have a nice photo of this product for you. You'll see that you have 2 containers that come within a box. You have a yellow tube of putty and a white tube of putty. You will grab a piece, make sure that they're both like equally sized, and then what you're gonna do is smash those 2 pieces together and knead them together so that the yellow and the white completely mixed together. That should take about a minute. Don't overdo it. You will notice that if you are kind of waiting too long, it'll get rigid. Quickly mix them together as much as you can, get all the swirls out, and you will get like a yellow Play-Doh kind of consistency. I had various like little jewelry items and different fun stuff that I was playing with. So what I did was create a thicker dam along the edge just by kind of like rolling it like, you know, silly putty, you know, along the edge. And then you just gently press the object down into the mold putty and then set it aside. The cool part about this product is that it completely cures in 20 minutes. You don't have to worry about it laying around. You don't have to worry about like temperature sensitivity or whatever like this. 20 minutes, it's ready to go. When it's finished, you get a really flexible like rubber mold that is reusable. As you can see, it's really flexible, so it's easy to remove the cast materials out of it. And we will be using these molds that we created in subsequent videos about other casting materials that we're going to be showing you. But these are super handy. This is really inexpensive. It's FDA approved. It is food safe. So all of these molds that you create could be used for casting things like resin. Like if you're into resin pouring, you could cast resin in it. But you could also cast food items like chocolate, fondant, butter, if you wanted to. You can also cast plaster, and all kinds of different fun things in this and create whatever you want. And there is quite a bit of putty in those 2 tubes. Like I used this was under 1 box to create all of these. But you know, I created like little gold leaf that I'm actually going to use in a project where I'm going to hand paint these leaves, and I've done some resin pouring already that's kind of intended to look kind of like a riverbed, and then the leaves are going to be floating down the little river and stuff like that. We'll show you that finished piece when we get to it. But I want to show you like this piece was simply cast in this little mold, and you can see it just bends and you pull it right out. We will show you how to cast in these molds that we created with the Alumilite Mold Putty. It is fun, it is friendly, it is non-toxic, it is lead-free. You don't have to worry when you're having fun playing with it. It is fantastic, and we are sure that you will enjoy.